Are your healthy meals secretly hurting you? You may be eating all the right foods, but the wrong combinations can lead to bloating, indigestion, or worse, nutrient loss. Today, I'll uncover 5 common food combinations you must avoid and share how to pair foods the right way for better digestion and health. Stick around for tips that could transform your meals and your health. Why food combinations matter. Food isn't just fuel, it's chemistry. Our digestive system works best when certain foods are paired correctly. Across the world, traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda have warned about food combinations that disrupt digestion. Modern science supports this, linking poor combinations to bloating, fatigue, and even long-term health issues. So, what are these harmful combos, and how can you fix them? Let's dive in. Wrong combination 1: Milk and citrus. Milk and citrus, think orange juice with breakfast cereal. The acidity in citrus fruits curdles the milk in your stomach, leading to indigestion and discomfort. Ayurveda has warned against this combination for centuries. How to fix. Instead of pairing milk with citrus, have your milk separately or with non-acidic foods like dates or almonds. Wrong combination 2: Fruits with meals. Fruits are healthy, but not when eaten with meals. Why? Fruits digest faster than other foods. When combined, they sit in your stomach and ferment, causing gas and bloating. How to fix. Enjoy fruits as a snack between meals or on an empty stomach to get the most nutrients and avoid digestive issues. Wrong combination 3: Protein and starch overload. Next is a classic mistake: combining protein and starch, like meat with potatoes or dal with rice. Proteins and starches require different enzymes and digestion speeds, leading to sluggish digestion. How to fix. Pair proteins with non-starchy veggies like broccoli or spinach. If you love carbs, balance them with healthy fats instead of heavy proteins. Wrong combination 4: Honey and hot water. Honey in hot water is a common detox drink, but did you know it's harmful? Heating honey turns it toxic, according to Ayurveda and modern research. How to fix. Add honey to lukewarm water instead of boiling hot liquids to preserve its nutrients and benefits. Wrong combination 5: Yogurt and fruits. Finally, yogurt and fruits, a breakfast favorite that's actually problematic. The acids in fruits, especially citrus, disrupt the probiotics in yogurt, making it harder to digest. How to fix. Replace fruit yogurt with plain yogurt topped with nuts or seeds for a gut-friendly snack. How to create healthy food combinations. Now that you know what to avoid, let's focus on what works. Pair healthy fats like avocado with leafy greens for better nutrient absorption. Combine vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers with iron-rich spinach for enhanced iron absorption. Keep it simple, less is often more when it comes to digestion. Food is powerful, but only if eaten the right way. Avoid these harmful combos, try the tips I shared, and you'll feel the difference. Which of these food combinations surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more such informative videos.